Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Outset's Firming Vegan Collagen Prep Serum, and it looks like this. And it also looks like I've been loving it. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. I do upload every Sunday. This is a 4-in-1 super serum that not only firms, brightens, and plumps, but it also hydrates in 4 weeks without irritation. This delivers an immediate healthy glow while conditioning skin over time. This creates a nourished canvas that brings visible radiance and won't pill under makeup. You can find this serum at theoutset.com, Sephora, and Nordstrom. As of the date that I am filming this, a 1 ounce unit retails for $46. The Outset suggests that you use this morning and night after cleansing before your moisturizer. You want to apply a few pumps of this serum onto hands and gently sweep over face in an upward motion, which I did not do in today's demo. I actually had a pretty gnarly migraine, which I haven't had in a while, and I still had a little bit of that headache / migraine when I was filming the demo, so kind of out of it. Now I am feeling a little bit better, but if the demo looks a little weird, that is why. The formula is made up of skin strengthening and repairing hydrating antioxidants that visibly plump, firm, and tighten the skin. We see tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, a lipid-soluble form of vitamin C that is more readily absorbed by the skin as it is more stable than the gold standard, L-ascorbic acid. This form of vitamin C can help to neutralize free radical damage and help preserve skin's collagen. Collagen naturally starts declining at around your mid to late 20s. More noticeable signs of aging can be seen at age 30 and 40, where we see wrinkles and sagging skin. We also see, I will write the name here, which is a non-fragrant plant oil from sunflower. This seeds oil's linoleic acid content has the ability to help replenish, strengthen, and soothe skin. We also see vegan collagen, which is genetically engineered. It is just as effective as animal collagen. Vegan collagen can improve skin's elasticity, texture, wrinkles, pores, and hydration levels. What also drew me to testing the serum and moisturizer by the Outset is their signature botanical alternative to hyaluronic acid, which they have called Hyaluricet Complex. I think that's how you say it. Hyaluricet Complex. It delivers immediate and lasting moisture to nourish, plump, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. The Outset claims that this outperforms hyaluronic acid after 24 hours, and it improves your skin's barrier after 2 weeks of use. I will link my first impressions short to this serum up above if possible. I found this prep serum to be instantly plumping, soothing, and refreshing. Initially, I loved the texture, and I still do today. The prep serum works well with the Paula's Choice Collagen Moisturizer, both of which I am wearing on my skin today. They do have almost similar textures, one being more like a gel serum, and this, of course, being a gel cream. This kept my skin feeling plump and balanced. This will come as no surprise, but I did like the luminous / natural glow that it left on my skin. In today's demo, I feel like it's more of a natural glow because I am not using it with the other products that I typically do. Offset Moisturizer amps up the moisture levels when I use these two together. However, skin does look a little bit oily at the end of the day when I pair both of these together. And after about 2 weeks of use, my notes are from April 9th, I felt like my skin did appear firmer, hydrated, and plumper. I do want to compare this serum to the Biossance Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum, for which I will link my review up above. The formulas are and feel very different from one another. This is more of like a watery serum, and this is more of like a gel based serum. I do find that the Biossance serum is geared more towards skin that is visibly showing the signs of aging, as it has more anti-aging ingredients, and it also contains copper peptide, which supports collagen and elastin production for firmer, smoother looking skin. This also contains hyaluronic acid and squalane to hydrate skin. This formula, I find that it is better suited for those experiencing loss of firmness and elasticity. The texture here again is water-like, lightweight, absorbs almost instantly, and when I apply this serum to my skin, it feels instantly plump and hydrated. The Outset's formula contains more hydrators than it does anti-agers, and it contains more good ingredients than the best of the best. I do feel like this will slow the signs of aging, so it is definitely better suited for younger skin looking to hydrate, soothe, firm, and plump skin. This formula has a bit of a thicker gel serum type of consistency, and it still glides effortlessly over the skin. It does, to me, feel more like a gel-based moisturizer, and I did kind of use it like that, especially at night, and it does feel like it again has a similar texture to this. So let me show you. This here is Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer, and very similar texture. And then let me show you the serum here on this hand. See, it's not runny at all, it's just hanging out. So there we have both. Very much similar. This one is thicker, of course, because it is a cream, but very similar textures. Let's talk pricing. The Biossance Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum here retails for $68, and the Outset here retails for $46. So if you are seeing the signs of aging, highly encourage this. If you are perhaps in your 20s and you're looking to hydrate, plump, and firm, try the Prep Serum. I personally enjoy both, and I don't really prefer one over the other, but I do prefer this for nighttime use, and I do prefer the Prep Serum for daytime use because I feel like it truly preps the skin for makeup for your day. My heart does sink a little bit every time I use this at night, just because I'm like, nobody's gonna see me at night, and it has the word prep on it, so my brain thinks prep, daytime. But I do love how it feels both day and night, but I do prefer this for day. From 4 weeks of use, I found that my skin appeared firmer, hydrated, and plumper. Over time, I feel like the radiance improved, and I really did like how my makeup looked over this. Even though I was using Tret and Retinol serums at night, this brought a lot of comfort and balance to my skin during the day, which I think is very essential. I did pair this with 3 different moisturizers and it worked very well. However, I did prefer it with the Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. I will link my review to this up above. And I also used this with the Murad Heartleaf calming cream. And I will be reviewing this soon, so do stay tuned. During the day, this worked very well with 3 different sunscreens: the Versed SPF, the Drunk Elephant SPF, and the Frey Skin Glow Me SPF. I love that name. For a major glow. No pilling, performed well under makeup. I did not use this at night during the initial testing period, as I preferred to use this during the day, you know, because prep means day for me and my brain. I'm sure that you would see faster results when using it both morning and at night. My favorite way to use this was, of course, daytime. So I would cleanse with my Best Jelly Cleanser to remove my SPF from workout. Then I would go in with the Glow Recipe Pore Tight Toner, my Pharmacy Essence, which I love so much. 2 pumps of this, my favorite eye products, Paula's Choice Moisturizer and the Frey Skin Glow Me SPF, and I am ready for my day. Because of its lightweight gel consistency, I think that this would work on all skin types looking to plump, hydrate, and balance the skin. Anyone dealing with or wanting to prevent collagen loss and the signs of aging. Perhaps also if you're dealing with dull skin, this may give you more of a natural kind of glow to the skin. Very oily skin may like to use this more so as a kind of light moisturizer, which I love as well. Pros: refillable glass bottle, which is amazing. This is instantly plumping. This is a great hydrator, does not pill under makeup, and I really like the price point. Cons: I do not have any. Although this formula is not loaded with as many anti-agers as I would personally want, I love how the serum feels over the skin. It instantly plumps and smooths skin. It preps my skin for the day, and skin also feels plump and balanced throughout the day, which is very essential. I am rating this a 10 out of 10, and I would recommend this to anyone who is looking for hydrated, smoother, firmer, plumper skin. Let me know if you have used this product by the Outset in the comments down below. What were your results, and would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you learned something new today, and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever there's a brand new upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Take 5. I forget.